अस्सलामुअलैकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है कि बिल्कुल खैरियत से होंगे। दिस इज जाले हियर ऑन जाले टॉक्स एंड एज पर यूजुअल हर अगले हफ्ते में एक नया सितारा आपके सामने लेकर आती हूँ, जिससे मुझे भी मिलना होता है, जिसके साथ मुझे भी बातचीत करनी होती है और जिससे मैं भी जानना चाहती हूँ। बहुत सारे दोस्तों को आपने मेरे यहाँ देखा और अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसे लोगों से मुलाकात करूँ, क्योंकि प्लेटफॉर्म ऐसा है कि मैं कर सकती हूँ जिनको मैं नहीं जानती बट जानना चाहती हूँ। तो आइए मिलके एक साथ मुलाकात करते हैं विद द वेरी लवली, द स्टनिंग मशल खान। हेलो।
Hi, Jolly. Thanks so much for having me on Jolly Talks.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर विद मी।
No, it's a pleasure.
थैंक यू सो मच फैसल कि आपने ये मुमकिन किया। So, Marshall, I've been watching you on TV a lot, and whatever I've seen and whatever I've heard about you has always been extremely positive. किसी ने कभी भी आपके बारे में कोई नेगेटिव बात आज तक नहीं की, हालांकि मेरी आपसे कभी मुलाकात नहीं हुई। So they don't even know that I'm friends with you or not friends with you. और जनरली लोग जो है वो बुराइयाँ उन लोग ही नहीं करते जिनका उनको पता होता है कि जान पहचान है, तो वो चुप रहते हैं। बट आपकी मैंने हमेशा अच्छी चीज़ें सुनी हैं एंड आई सीन यू एक्टिंग ऑल्सो। यू आर वेरी पैशनेट एंड दैट्स वन थिंग दैट आई हर्ड अबाउट यू, दैट यू लव द क्राफ्ट। सो जस्ट गिव मी अ ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ how you came into this field, what made you come into it, and what takes you.
So, first of all, thank you for saying such lovely things, and thank you to everyone who said those lovely things. So, how I entered the field was by mistake. I actually attended McGill for my bachelor's, and I came back. I had studied math, and so when I came back, I just wanted to take a break for 6 months. So, those 6 months lasted about 6 weeks. And I randomly got a call one day from MD Productions saying, "Okay, we're so and so." I didn't even know who they were, right? They were like, audition dete hain. To this day, I don't know where they saw me, kahan se mera number mila, nothing. Super mysterious, right? And so I went in, I was like, kuch hone nahi wala is bare mein. I went in, I got cast a second lead in Suno Chanda. 2 days later, they told me, come sign the contract. I was like, नहीं इनको कोई शौक नहीं है मेरे साथ काम करने में, मैं 2 दिन में फायर हो जाऊंगी। 2 हफ्ते बाद अभी तक नहीं फायर हुई। समझ नहीं आ रही, ना मुझे उर्दू पढ़नी आती है इस पॉइंट पे, ना मेरा लहजा ठीक था उस वक्त, एंड लाइक आई couldn't even form proper sentences in Urdu. So I didn't understand. But the one thing was that I was always passionate about acting. So somehow, luckily, I guess, होती ना किस्मत किसी की. So I feel like acting was just my kismet, and it kept finding its way to me.
You threw it out of the universe and it just came back to you.
Yeah, like since I was a child, I started acting when I was 9, and when I was 14, I played the role of Lady Macbeth. In my school play, and on all 3 days of the showing, I got a standing ovation. And that was the moment that I knew this is what I want to do in life.
अच्छा, तो you never asked कि कहाँ से आपको मेरा contact मिला? Where did you see me? कुछ भी नहीं ऐसा?
You know, they say never question a good thing.
You never did. Well, whoever it was, thank you so much for that. Because now we have Mashal Khan working in TV and showing her talent. So Mashal, acting has always been your passion. अच्छा, थिएटर में काम करना टीवी पे काम करने से बहुत डिफरेंट होता है, ठीक है? सो you've done theatre, you've done Shakespeare. So how was the transition? Were you acting right before you started working on TV, या थोड़े gap के बाद?
I mean, I did Macbeth again when I was at uni, but I feel like so one of my friends noticed this about me. So when you speak to people, the way you speak and your tonality changes. And I never even noticed until I went to my neighbor the other day and asked for a pen. And I come back and my friend was like, wow, look at you, little Miss Actress. And that's when it hit me that I've been acting throughout my life. मैं किसी को नाप के उनसे उसी के मुताबिक बात करती हूँ. And but theatre is very different from television and film, I think.
Yep.
But I think I'm definitely more comfortable in front of the camera, and all of my theatre directors also told me that, because they said you have a lot of micro expressions. I like acting here.
With the eyes, yeah?
Yeah, because acting is supposed to be all here, but in theatre it's always about loud gestures and, you know, like very boisterous comedy, and that's something I'm not exactly very comfortable with, so that's what always troubled me in theatre.
But you still managed to do Lady Macbeth. So,
Yeah.
standing ovation. So,
Yeah, but I was 14 that time,
still
right?
being 14 and playing such a complex character.
School के parents gave me a standing ovation. I don't know.
स्कूल के पेरेंट्स और भी जल कुकड़े होते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा जो है वो ज़्यादा अच्छा कर रहा है, किसी और के बच्चे को क्यों अप्रिशिएट करें? You know, you have to see that angle also.
That's true.
So today is a very exciting day for you, isn't it?
Oh yes.
प्रोग्राम कब ऑन जाएगा, लेकिन आज जो है वो मशल का एक नया सीरियल आने वाला है. Please say something about that.
So this drama is called Khwab Nagar Ki Shahzadi. It's me and Mikhail Zulfikar. He's playing my husband. It's produced by iDream Entertainment. It's on ARY Digital. We've been working on this project for the past 8 months.
Nice.
And हम honestly तरस गए थे कि हमें कोई teaser दिखा दें, कोई गाना सुना दें, कोई clip, कोई picture, कोई screenshot, please. लेकिन नहीं दिखाते थे. They were like, नहीं आप बस सब्र करें. We were supposed to go on air 5 months ago, then it got changed to 3 months ago, then 2 months ago, then 1 month ago, and now finally today we are going on air, and I am ecstatic.
Congratulations for that.
Thank you.
And it's so refreshing actually, Mashal, to meet someone who is really deeply interested in the craft.
Yeah.
Not just in it for fame and fortune or whatnot. आपको अपना काम देखना और अपने काम से मोहब्बत है, right? So, so you've traveled a lot, I presume, right? And what difference do you feel in working in Pakistan as opposed to, जब आप लोगों से मिलते हो काम के हवाले से? So there are a lot of differences that you feel. जब भी मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, हालांकि मैं पूरी जिंदगी आ रही हूँ, लेकिन जब भी मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, there's always a stark difference.
Yeah.
With people also.
Yeah.
What is that one difference you feel that is prevalent here?
Honestly, I've worked abroad once only with foreigners, and there was a Pakistani at the other end of that who was managing it, and उसने honestly हमें गधों की तरह चढ़ाया था. Like on the 10th day of my trip, I almost died.
What happened? What was it?
This person would make us work 14 hours a day. He would not let us take food breaks in the middle. I was living on 2 protein bars, and by the time I got home, I was so tired that I wouldn't even eat anything. I just go to sleep because I had to wake up at 4 a.m. and get dressed because our locations would be like 2 hours away.
What was this, an acting project?
This was this travel blog. Yeah, I went with Hum TV, and Hum TV was great and everything. लेकिन जो दूसरे end पे बंदा था, I don't know what kind of spawn of Satan this man was. Honestly, he was such a disgusting, vile human being कि ना मुझे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उसकी शक्ल नाम याद है ना उसका नाम. But I know one thing for sure, that this man will burn in hell. Because on the 10th day, I was puking blood. I opened my door and मैं कुर्सी रख दी थी बीच में, and I messaged on the group saying, guys, if in 10 minutes I don't respond to your calls, come to my room. They found me in the bathroom in like a pool of blood, of like my own vomit. And they were like, they had called Hum TV, and Hum TV was like, yeah, bring her back, bring her to Karachi. But the next day I woke up and I was like, let's do it. They're like, what? Girl, you cray.
You see. Wow.
Project to khatam karna tha.
But ये पहले था सोनू चंदा से.
No, this was right after Sono Chanda.
I'm so sorry this happened to you. I don't know who this person is, but you're right. He should absolutely burn in hell. And इस तरह के लोग नहीं होते. I don't understand कि देखो मैंने प्रोडक्शन पढ़ी हुई है, लेकिन प्रोडक्शन की पहली चीज जो पढ़ाई जाती है ना, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज अपने क्रू को और अपने कास्ट को वेल फेड रखो, बिकॉज मैन पावर है ना. जब आप में एनर्जी नहीं होगी तो आप काम कैसे करेंगे? इट्स एक्चुअली टू वे स्ट्रीट. अगर आप खाना खिला के रखोगे तो आप ही को अच्छा काम करने वाला मिलेगा, और नहीं खिलाओगे तो वाइस वर्सा. सो आई डोंट गेट इट. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दीस थिंग्स. ओके, सो आफ्टर सोनू चंदा, this is not your first project, but what else did you do which was close to your heart?
Other than this, I think Thoda Sa Haq was definitely closest to my heart with Imran and Aiza, because Ahmed Bhatti Saab, who was our director, he honestly, I will always refer to him as my ustad, because उन्होंने मुझे उंगली से ऐसे पकड़ के मुझे सारी चीजें एक चीज सिखाई. And I swear to you, the first 10 days of shoot I was not performing. And मुझे वो पता था. I used to go to Aiza every day and I would cry and I'd be like, Aiza, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. It was a lot of pressure. It was the first time I was given parallel lead. It was a huge role. It was a very like the character's graph was like this. So उसको manage करना, I was freaking out and I was nervous and I didn't want to underperform. So I was freaking out. Like, and he kept supporting me and he kept telling me that you can do this, and he actually fought for me to be in that project.
That's
so
amazing.
And on that project, Firdaus Jamal Saab was with us. He taught me so much. मैं रोज जब वो हमारे साथ सेट पे होते थे, I would sit with him and I'd be like, Firdaus साहब मुझे सिखाएं.
That is amazing. It's the first time I've heard anything nice about Firdaus.
He is amazing. I love him. On our last day together on set, like मैं actually रोई थी हमारे scene में, because I was so upset that I wouldn't be working with him again until I don't know when.
That is amazing. You know what actually I think happens also, जिस तरह की आप energy give off करते हो,
Yeah.
people kind of sometimes, not
Yeah.
all the time, but most of the time people reciprocate. So you had a really bad experience and you had really nice experiences
Yeah.
also. बट आई फील मशल के जब आप काम कर रहे होते हैं सो आपके डायरेक्टर से लेके आपके को स्टार से लेके इट्स एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ रैपो विद देम एंड नॉट जस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द स्क्रीन. मेरा ये होता है कि जब मैं एक्ट कर रही होती हूँ ना, इवन इफ आई डोंट नो, इफ आई एम वर्किंग विद यू, इवन इफ आई डोंट नो यू, द फर्स्ट डे विल बी स्पेंट नोइंग यू एंटायरली. क्योंकि अगर तुम मेरी बहन बनी हुई हो या मेरी दोस्त हो या मेरी जो भी हो, व्हाटएवर रिलेशनशिप मेरी आपके साथ स्क्रीन पे है, वो तब तक नजर नहीं आएगी जब तक आप खुद से आपने originally नहीं बनाई हुई. So do you do that with your co-stars also?
Of course. First time like, hi, I'm Mashal, nice to meet you. And first तो उनको लगता थोड़ी सी crack होगी. लेकिन then they're like, no, she's figured. Yeah. No, but one thing about like, see the thing when it comes to senior actors is that जो भी है, we need to respect the fact that all of these people have given at least 35 plus years to our industry. And Firdaus Jamal साहब, उन्होंने इतनी मेहनत की है, वो he came to Karachi with nothing. He told me his whole story. He came here with nothing. वो रोडों पे सोते थे and then he went and in his apartment he had nothing but a pillow. That was it. And so you know I feel like जब आपने इतना रगड़ा किया होता है, I mean you've given so much to the industry, आपके लिए जायज़ है कि आप आगे criticism भी दें. Yeah, so I think everyone's opinions need to be respected regardless of how crude they may be. You know?
True that.
Yeah.
True that. हर किसी की opinion होती भी तो है ना. Everyone has an opinion. Everyone can give the opinion as long as it's not detrimental to someone else. I believe.
I don't know. I mean, that's the thing about opinions, right?
Yeah. Okay. So there's a very thin line. There's an opinion, and then people sometimes pose it as a fact. मैं जब भी किसी के बारे में कोई नेगेटिव बात करूँगी या मैं किसी को तनकीद करूँगी ऐसे कोई चीज़, तो हमेशा ये बोलूँगी ये मेरा अपना पर्सनल ज़ाती ओपिनियन है, ठीक है, फैक्ट नहीं करूँगी. फैक्ट करके अगर आप बोलते हैं ना तो फिर देन आपको बैकलैश भी आता है.
But if you're essentially a PhD in acting, I think you're allowed to say, I think this person can't act, I think this person can act.
हमारी जो अवाम है जनरली जो हमें देखते भी है ना, किसी में बिल्कुल भी पेशेंस नहीं है. अगर आपके जो सोच है उसके मुतरादिफ कोई बात कर दी तो वो हमेशा गलत होगा इंसान. मतलब कुछ भी हो गया, लाइक अगर आपने ब्लैक पहना हुआ है तो आपने मुझे नहीं ब्लैक अच्छा लगता, इसने ब्लैक क्यों पहना हुआ है टाइप, तो वो गलत हो गया. सो दैट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड.
नो, दैट आई एग्री विद.
पीपल जस्ट डोंट हैव एक्सेप्टेंस. अगर आप किसी के ऊपर उंगली उठा रहे हैं, सो बी रेडी कि आपके ऊपर भी उंगली उठेगी एंड जस्ट बी फाइन विद इट. Because that's the way we are. You know, if you're public figures, हालांकि मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा था ये सोचने में और इसको हजम करने में कि if I am public property, then I am public property. It's okay, I can take it. Does that happen to you? Do you get any kind of backlash or bad commentary on Instagram or any of the social platforms?
I think all celebrities do. Anyone who's in like the public eye does. Alhamdulillah, I have many more fans than haters, I think. And usually तो my fans मेरी हिमायत करना शुरू हो जाते हैं, लड़ना शुरू हो जाते हैं ना. एक तो I really enjoy reading all those threads. मैं वापस जाके चेक कर रही होती हूँ. लेकिन कभी कभार every once in a while I'm in like a naughty mood और किसी ने मुझे ऐसे मज़े का comment दिया हुआ होता है ना, I'm like आहा जानी आज से ही शामत है. So I honestly enjoy it because I take it very well.
No, that is the best approach to have.
No, of course not. When you have so much love in your life and there's so many amazing things, honestly, I think it would be ridiculous to focus on that 1% of hate.
Absolutely, absolutely. But has there ever been any controversy about you which you've actually refuted? या फैसल से कहा गया हो कि आप please ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ?
Yeah, I think I'm actually very smart with these things. I've played very diplomatic. I keep my opinions to myself and to my friends.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ, मेरे साथ बड़े मसले होते हैं, मुझे बहुत रोका गया है ज़िंदगी में. But do you ever feel the need to stand for something? जैसे Me Too movement थी, इनकार करो थी, all these things that come out. मुझसे किसी ने मुझसे ये सवाल पूछा था कि it's not necessary to speak on everything, you know, but there are certain things that I speak about. Like for instance, ये जो whole animals वाली कहानी अभी निकली है, of going and shooting, culling of dogs, and where do you stand on that and do you raise your voice for it?
I think everyone who is responsible for this, their nails should be removed, then their eyelashes should be plucked, then their scalp should be removed, and they should be given 100 lashes on their body until they bleed a slow, painful death.
I am glad you've really thought about it.
Yeah.
Okay, these are exactly the same things I want for whoever's done this. Yeah.
Honestly, agar aap, like you have to be a very niche insan to go up against the most bezuban जानवर.
Absolutely.
Like
who can't stand for themselves, who can't speak for themselves, who don't do anything to anyone until
एक तो हमने उनके फॉरेस्ट्स लिए उनसे, उनका हैबिटेट लिया, उनकी जगह हमने पुश आउट करके वो ट्रैश में रहते हैं, फिर भी हमें बेचारे कुछ नहीं कहते, and फिर भी we're like no, this is not enough. Let's go and shoot them to death. Let's go poison them. Let's leave these puppies who are 1 week old without mothers who will feed them. Let's do that because that's what we are.
Yeah, because that's a reflection of yourself.
Ashraf al-Makhluqat, right?
Right. I don't even understand this term and people come and say कि हम अशरफ al-Makhluqat हैं. मैंने कहा तो गुण तो नहीं है कहीं से आप में उसके, क्योंकि you can't just come and pose and say that you're Ashraf al-Makhluqat. There are certain things which go with the.
They only take the entitlement of the Ashraf al-Makhluqat. They don't take the responsibility.
Yeah. So have you ever been with an organization, or do you support a cause, or do you speak on it? Are you a brand ambassador for something?
Definitely, I work a lot with ACF. I've done work with, yes, and I've sent a few animals there. Other than that, I have rescued and rehabilitated animals on my own, dogs and cats alike. The ones that don't get adopted stay at my house. We have at the moment 5 cats. 6 actually, with Romeo as well. Yeah, and they're so loving and they're so amazing. I've also lost a lot of animals, which is very painful. A vet who is amazing, who I work very closely with, is Dr. Ismail of Happy Tales, if I'm not wrong. Healthy Tales. Healthy Tales.
Yeah, they were with me on a show.
And Dr. Ismail, he
Dr. Ismail,
has saved so many of my animals. My Moji, who's now mashallah 10 years old, she had only 50% chance of living.
Moji is a dog, cat?
She's a cat.
She's a cat.
She's a 10-year-old Persian. She had not gone to the loo in 10 days, and they had like a clump had formed in her stomach, blocking her intestines. And he said, I'll be honest, there's only 50% chance of her surviving, and I was gonna die.
Yeah.
He saved her, and now she's fine. She's fat again.
That's amazing. Or you know, in this day and age, जब भी मैं कोई चीज़ पोस्ट लगाती हूँ ना, क्योंकि my sister and I both have been associated with Aisha Chundrigar also, and randomly Healthy Tales वालों से तो मेरी आज मुलाकात हुई है, और वो शो शायद पहले चल गया होगा, I'm so sorry, but मेरी आज ही मुलाकात हुई है उनसे. So it is so amazing to actually meet people who stand for something like this. बिकॉज मैं जब भी इंस्टाग्राम पे, मैं स्पेशली आप लोगों से भी बोलना चाहूँगी, मैं जब भी कोई पोस्ट लगाती हूँ, मेरी भी बिल्ली है, मेरे जितने जानने वाले हैं, जितने दोस्त हैं, कोई एक ऐसा शख्स नहीं है जिसको जानवर नहीं पसंद हो, क्योंकि मैं उन लोगों से दोस्ती नहीं करती जी. वो फौरन से पता चल जाता है कि अगर आपको जानवर नहीं पसंद कि आप अंदर से कैसे हैं, राइट?
Yes.
Is it not? Yeah, आपकी सेंसिटिविटी और आपकी जो भी है, कितनी डेप्थ है आप में, वो सब पता चल जाता है. पहले से तो आप मेरे दोस्त नहीं हैं अगर आपको नहीं पसंद. So we've been working also like this, and I'm glad कि and I'm sad also कि ऐसे incidents आ रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से अब लोगों में थोड़ी सी awareness आ गई है, you know, and people are standing for it. What do you think? I'm just going to put you on the spot and just ask you, what do you think needs to happen for us to safeguard the animals on the street? चलो हम अपने घर पे तो बचा लें.
Yeah.
What do we need to do?
Neutering and spaying. देखिए, there was an entire study that was done in, I believe, Malaysia, which also they had Malaysia and Singapore. These are 2 countries that were studied that both had population issues of animals. Malaysia went for culling, and Singapore went for spaying and neutering. Now Singapore has a completely controlled population of animals, stray animals that are on the streets. They're all tagged as well. Unki health is monitored. They're free healthcare, all of that. And in Malaysia, there's still an overgrown population. Because I tell you, you can't just run around shooting all of these animals. Like, imagine trying to wipe out the human race by shooting them.
Yeah.
Does that even like what kind of genius? Like, I'm sorry, how dumb do you need to be?
You need to be Hitlerish.
Like, you need to be an absolute idiot to think that this will work. Like, I'm sorry you didn't pass the 2nd grade.
Yeah.
But yeah, spaying and neutering, that's it. That's all you need to do. And yesterday when I was feeding my dogs, one of my friends who doesn't know much about these things, he was like, wait, what if the big one bites you? Because if the big one came and he hugged me, which I was like, he won't.
Threatened होते हैं ना तब. They only do it when they threaten.
No, only if they're threatened and if they're rabid.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it.
That's it.
And rabid dogs so वैसे भी won't come toward you. Because they're so, उनके अंदर इतनी कैफियत होती है कि they're वैसे भी running away.
They also They're also fearful ना.
Yeah.
ये समझ ही नहीं आती हम लोग मैं भी इससे पहले भी शो में ये किस्सा सुना रही थी. I went to Islam Court, which is in Sindh. ठीक है, एंड वहाँ पे हर किस्म का जानवर मोटा ताज़ा घूम रहा होता है, you know, coexisting with everyone, and they don't even have the basic facilities for themselves, like बिजली पानी उनके मसले, but उनके सारे कुत्ते बिल्लियाँ गाय भैंसे मोर भी होते हैं वहाँ पे, गधे भी होते हैं, they all really happy and they don't bite anyone, किसी को कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाते, is because the people over there are so nice and so kind, so they have no threat.
Yeah.
So that's why they don't act in that manner.
What you seek is seeking you, right, Rumi?
Absolutely, that's one of my favorite quotes, by the way. So Mashal, what is next for you? Just before going, can you just tell us कि क्या होने वाला है? What are your aspirations? What do you want to get into if you haven't gotten into that? And just about it. Just a little message.
I'm definitely, alhamdulillah, doing what I love. I don't plan on changing my field ever, inshallah.
Field के अंदर भी तो बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं ना, गाना भी आता है, डांस के
No, I don't plan on venturing out. Yeah, because like this is my creative form, and I don't want to get distracted because this is what feels like home to me. And I love connecting with my different characters and, you know, like really feeling their emotions. So I definitely don't want to change that. But I have a very interesting project coming up on this OTT platform called Urdu Flex, which is called Lifafa. And what I love about this is that it has nothing to do with romance and Saas Bahu. It is completely about the world of journalism.
Yay.
And it is about power, money, lust and control. That is it.
And you're playing an integral part in it?
Yeah, I'm playing the lead.
Are you playing a journalist?
Yes, top anchor, yeah.
So we will be watching out for it, and thank you so much, Mashal, for taking time out and coming to my show.
No, thank you for having me.
I have been wanting to meet with you.
Likewise.
But हमारी मुलाकात ऐसे ही हो सकती है कि हमें एक प्रोजेक्ट में कास्ट किया जाए और वो तो पता नहीं कब होगा. शुक्र है काम शुरू हो गया है. But ये कि thank you so much, Faisal, for letting me have this opportunity of meeting with you. It was an absolute pleasure having a talk with you, and hopefully we'll meet soon.
The pleasure was all mine. Thank you so much for having me, and yes, I shall see you very soon.
So आपको भी I'm sure शो बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. Please like and subscribe कीजिए मेरे चैनल को. मेरे चैनल का नाम नीचे लिखा हुआ है, शाले टॉक्स. और फिर अगले हफ्ते मैं आपसे दोबारा मुलाकात करूंगी. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह ने के बाद.